Hello Beshies! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to spend time with my work besties. It's gonna be Rodeline, Katie, and Sabi. These three beautiful ladies are very close to my heart. They're like the vibe in the office. So yeah, I'm so excited for today. And today as well we're going to celebrate Katie's early birthday. And it is spring now here in Austin. So the best way to celebrate is to do an outdoor activity. And one of the best things to do is to go to the lake and enjoy the sun. Hindi ganun kainit pa. So we're here at Ski Shores Cafe to do paddle boarding. It is so exciting because it's my first time doing it. So guys, it's gonna be fun. So please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's go! So here's where we're going to get the paddle boarding. And the ladies are here. Say hi to my vlog, Beshies. There you go. Katie, Tabi, and Rodeline. Look at that. Okay, so this is where we're gonna get the paddle board. So right there, you download the app. So I need my phone, guys. Baka mahulog tayo. Ayan. And we're just gonna get the paddle board and we're gonna start the fun. Me, the guy, just taking videos. Yeah, you got it, Katie!
Oh my god.
And I'm not helping her. You got it. Yay! It's so scary.
I know, I'm trying to hold it.
So we're just figuring out how to get onto the paddle board.
Ready?
Sorry. You got this? You got it, Rhoda? Okay. My turn. Wait, it's too tight. Bye. See you later. Enjoy. Guys, I'm gonna keep my phone because I'm gonna put it here because I'm scared. So there's no gonna be vlogging during this paddle boarding because I don't want to lose my phone. Okay, see you later.
Mag-paddleboard ka.
Hi guys! So, buwis buhay, hawak lang tayo dito. Kasi sobrang, ang tawag dito be? Maalon. Kasi ang daming mga nagja-jet ski ba yan? O boat, ganyan. Pag dumadaan kasi sila, yung tubig, na tumataas, nagwe-wave. Ngayon, natatamaan yung paddleboard at nagagalaw kami. Eh, walang life vest si Rodeline. Sexy niya, oh. Sila Katie. Teka lang. Ayun sila, oh. Teka lang. So, Katie and Tabi is right there. Andun sila. Okay. So, guys, yan yung restaurant na kakainan namin mamaya. Ay mga boat. Nandito lang talaga kami ni Rodeline sa gilid. Tapos, gusto sana namin pumunta dun sa mga bahay-bahay dun. Kaso, ang hirap nga kasi ang daming nag-jet ski. So, we're gonna be here for another 10 minutes tapos aahon na rin kami. Alright.
Okay.
Guys, it's such a struggle to get up. Wait.
Tumayo ka muna. Balance ka lang. Balance lang, bay, balance.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh my god. Yay!
Guys, we're gonna return the paddle Sa baba ba to? Sa taas?
Sa una yung may paa.
Una. Ganito?
Pabaliktad.
Pag ganito?
Oo, pero...
Pag ganyan, no?
Oo, tama.
There you go. Hello, besties. You know, in the McDonald's and Jollibee, the Philippines, this is famous like Coke Flow. Yeah. I'm always like, if I can dip out, can I have it? Dip the fries on the ice cream or try it. I just try it.
I already had this.
Oh, it's not nice.
That was my
Literally blocked everything.
Where?
Oh, great.
Oh my god.
Wait, what
Well,
happened?
you're not even gonna be able to get into your car. Or are you?
Chicken.
Yeah, okay.
But how do we get out? They blocked.
So it's a mess
I'll
here.
Oh, you can
So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please
like,
don't forget
comment,
to
subscribe.
yes, like she said. Bye.
Bye.